Hello everyone. Thanks for the lovely comments and all the likes which you had posted for my last week video. Thank you so much. So here I am with my another activities on the week 2. Okay, I am Meghna Shah from Knowledge Hunt Activity Hub at Veera Desai Andheri West. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Activity number 1. So as last week we had done sticking of shapes. Yeah, if you guys remember, we had cut out cut out of shapes, and we had made our child colored the shape and stick it on the respective shapes. So now your child know what is called triangle, what is called square. So this week we are going to introduce we are going to tell them that how many sides a triangle has, how many sides a square has, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon and octagon. Okay, so do one at a time, don't do everything all together, otherwise children will get confused, especially in octagon, pentagon and all. Yeah, so because those are little on a difficult side. So this is a one piece of paper wherein I have made all types of shapes. So as you can see, a square, triangle, heptagon, hexagon, octagon, etc. Okay, so what you are going to do is first make this piece of paper where you will draw all the shapes, and then what you have to do is you can make them color. If you want to make them more interesting, you can tell them to color those shapes, and then you have to prepare one dice. Okay, any box you can take, or if you have a dice also you can use that also. But the problem with dice is it has starting from 1. Okay, so we don't have any shape which has one side, right? So we have to make a dice which starts with number 3. Yeah, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, till octagon if we are doing till 8. Okay, so then you have to prepare this has all the numbers 5, 4, 3, 2 and all. Yeah, so what you have to do is you have to tell the child, okay, first, okay, what number has come? 3. Okay, as you can see 3. So okay, so 3, then take a matchbox, okay, which has different sticks. So you have to tell your child to pick up the number which is come on dice. Okay, now this is 3, so he has to pick up 3 sticks. Okay, so how many sticks are so he will only pick up 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, so this is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now which shape you're seeing which has 3 sides? So he will try to figure out. Okay, first give him some time to figure out on himself. If he can't, then you can help him saying that, okay, this is triangle. As you can see, this is triangle which has 1 side, 2 side and 3 sides. And you have to tell your child to either place it. If he is comfortable placing it, he can just place at the place, or you can tell him to stick it. Okay, so I'll show you one example which I have done with my child. I have done only till heptagon right now, so you can see this. Okay, these are the shapes which has been I have used matchstick and I have made my child stick on the respective shapes. So this way they will learn the number of sides a shape has, because they are going to manually pick one stick at a time. Yeah, so if it comes triangle, he is going to pick up 3 sticks and stick it, so he will know, okay, there are 3 sides, square has 4, pentagon has 5 and so on. Yeah, so this way they will learn the sides of shapes, the number of sides of shapes very easily. Activity number 2. Now for that you require any quantity, any piece, whatever you have at home, you can use that. There is no fixed rule that you need what I'm saying. Okay, so what I have taken balls, coloring balls, which I have at my place. So you have to take 5. Okay, whatever your quantity you take, just take 5 at right now. Don't take more. If your child is aging from 3 to 5, then don't take more. Take first 5. Okay, so I have taken 5 balls with me, and I have taken 1 box. Okay, now to start with, first you have to question your child how many balls you see in this box. So he will count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then step 2 will be, if I take out 1 and if I keep it outside. Okay, now use this word inside and outside. So this way you will introduce the vocabulary, the words inside and outside, and he will know, okay, this balls are inside and this is outside. Okay, so you can tell him, okay, one ball I'm keeping outside, so how many balls are inside? So he will count, okay, 1 2 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so then you can say, okay, these are 4 and this is 1, so 4 plus 1 5. Yeah, and so on. You can take out like 2 and then say, okay, how many are inside, how many are outside? So 2 plus 3 5. Again he will, 2 are outside, 3 is inside, and then you have to tell him, okay, 2 balls and 2 balls outside and 3 balls inside also makes 5. So slowly he will develop the concept of knowing that 2 plus 3 is also 5, 1 plus 4 is also 5, and 2 plus, so on. So he will know the addition in a very easy way, that he will know the different ways of how the number 5 you can reach. Okay, so 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, that way. Yeah, so okay, my next activity, and this is my last activity for the day. Okay, now in continuation with the ball game. Okay, now the ball game which we played in our last activity, where you introduced like, okay, 2 plus 3 is also 5, 1 plus 4 is also 5. On the same line, I have prepared another game with flashcards. Okay, now for that you need again stick to 1 to 5 only. Don't do more than that right now. Okay, so I have flashcards with me, where I have prepared 2 sets of flashcards. Now you require 2 sets of flashcards when I say, so 1 to 5. Okay, now these are the flashcards. Okay, one set, so this is one candy. Okay, 2 giraffe, 3 tiger, 4 fish. Yeah, 5 butterflies. Okay, so when I say 2 sets of flashcards, so this is from number from 1 to 5, and these are the quantity which is associated with that. Yeah, so if you don't have flashcard, it's okay, you can do it with a piece of paper also, where instead of using the animals and all, you can just use put circles against it. It's totally fine. Yeah, so this is these are 2 sets of flashcards, 1 to 5. Okay, so these are 10 flashcards. So this is one set of flashcards which I have kept it white. The background is white and there are numbers and quantity here. Okay, so this is a quantity and this is the back side which is white. Okay, now I have prepared another set of flashcards which is just numbers. Okay, these are numbers from 2 to 9. Okay, you have to skip 1. Okay, you cannot have 1 in this game. You have to start with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are just number flashcards, but the background I have kept something else so that it doesn't get mixed up. Okay, now to start with, how you have to do is open all these cards. Okay, just open it like one. I'll just show you how to open it. Okay, this is the way you have to display the cards in front of your child, or you can make your child to organize the cards like this. So he will learn associating the quantity against the number also. Okay, that is also very important to do. So when for us, if you say 3, the 3 objects will come in my mind, but it is not the same for the child. Okay, so if you play this game also separately, this is also beneficial for them to learn quantity. Okay, now moving on to our game. This is how you are going to display the cards, and these are the red cards. Okay, now what are my red cards? These red cards are my flash cards, are my target cards. Okay, now you have to tell your child to just randomly pick up any number. Okay, that is going to be my target number. Now for me it has come, okay, number 4. Okay, this number 4 has come. Now you have to tell your child to pick up 2 cards which will have number which will make up to 4. Okay, which will make up to 4. So at the first instance, if he doesn't know addition, he will definitely pick up number 4 directly. Okay, he is not going to pick up 2, but that's fine. Okay, you will say, okay, fine, but you tell him, okay, this 4 is right, you are wrong, you are not wrong, you are right, you are picking the 4 against 4 is fine. But you have to tell your child, these are the 2 sets of the display which we have done. One set is above, one set is below. So one card you have to pick up from up, one card from below, which will total up to 4. So what he will do, you have to help him. Okay, pick up 2, number 2 and 2 giraffe. Okay, now this 2 plus 2 is become 4. If you have plus sign or something at home, you can use that also. If not, it's okay. You can use a piece of paper also. So you can tell him, okay, this, you have to put plus sign in between. 2 giraffe plus 2 becomes 4. Yeah, this is one way of doing it. Or you can say 1 pick up 1 and 3. Okay, 3 plus 1 also 4. So this way you will know different ways of addition. Thank you.